Hello students, welcome all of you to the first class of history. Today we are going to learn the chapter first, historiography development in West. In physical and natural sciences, we use the method of laboratory, means experiments and observation. This method is called empirical method, but this method is not useful in history. So in historical research, we use the method of various types. So which method we use in history? In historical research, this empirical method is not useful because we were not present in historical times. The events of history not recreated again. That's why this method is not useful in historical research. So in history, which method is useful? If we found any document, we need the criteria for authenticity of that historical document. Means if we found any document, for that we need the criteria of authenticity. Authenticity means the authentic means real or genuine. If we found any document, the historian search about the lettering style of that document, or author style of writing, stamp of authority, type of paper, etc. After that criteria, the historian use the methods of discipline in historical research. The first method is archaeology. Archaeology means the scientific method of studying the past human life and culture. After that archaeology, archival. Archival means the study of the place where the historical documents are kept. Epigraphy. Epigraphy means the study of inscription. Manuscriptology. Manuscriptology means the study of handwritten documents. These disciplines in historical research are used. After that, the historian come to the conclusion through all these study, the historiography. The writing of critical historical narrative is known as a historiography. So all these studied, the historian come to the conclusion the writing of critical historical narrative known as a historiography. In this way, today we saw the empirical method, criteria for authenticity, disciplines in historical research, history and historiography. Thank you class.